In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Notion AI. To get started, open Notion and head to your settings area. This is where you manage workspace preferences, permissions, and connected tools. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Notion AI or AI connectors, depending on the version of Notion you're using. Notion updates its interface from time to time, so the wording may vary slightly, but the general location and purpose will be the same. Inside that section, you'll see a list of available connector options. From there, choose Google Drive. This tells Notion that you want to link your Drive content so Notion AI can use it as a source when answering questions or helping you find information. This can be especially useful if your important documents, notes, or shared files live in Google Drive and you want a faster way to reference them inside Notion. Next, sign in to your Google account. Make sure you choose the correct account if you use more than one, especially if your work files and personal files are stored separately. After signing in, Google will show you a permissions screen. At this point, allow Notion to access the required Google Drive files. This permission is necessary so the connector can read and sync the content that Notion AI will rely on. As always, it's a good idea to briefly review what access is being requested so you understand what's being connected. Once access has been granted, you'll be asked to choose which workspace or group can use the connector. This step is important because it controls who inside Notion can benefit from the Google Drive integration. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm that you're enabling it for the right one. After that, all that's left to do is wait for Notion to sync the Google Drive content. Depending on the amount of content in your drive, this may take a little time. So don't worry if the results aren't immediate. Let the sync finish in the background before testing the connection. When everything is ready, you can start asking Notion AI questions based on your Google Drive files. For example, you can use it to surface information from documents, summarize content, or help you locate details more quickly. If responses seem incomplete at first, give the sync a bit more time and try again. Once connected properly, this setup can make working across Notion and Google Drive much more seamless.